Good morning. So this is the calm before the big storm in Chicago. It's pretty empty out here. There's not a lot of people. So it's supposed to start around 12 or 1, the snow. But look at this. Very calm. Very, very calm. As you can see, there's hardly any people out here. The news is flowing around already not to come out, to stay in the house so you won't get stranded and nothing will happen. Yep. Look at how not too many people out. Not too many people out at all. It's December 22nd, almost Christmas. I don't know about tomorrow, but let's do a 360 so you can see how calm it is out here. Yeah. Nobody up at the Bean either. That's a miracle. There's usually a lot of people up there. Look at that. Crickets. Oh, I see one person. Alright. Well, let's see what happens. If it's crazy snow, I might have to leave early. Let's just pray it's not that bad. Alright. Have a good day. Bye.